Hello, everyone. In my 51 years of studying Scripture, people don't realize how important the names of people are, the names of water, the Great Sea, the Mediterranean, all the lands and the cities around the Mediterranean. Now, these cities over time, in 100 years or 1,000 years, get name changes depending on who conquers them, such as Antioch I in the middle of Turkey or Asia, conquered by the Greeks, gets a name change. Antioch II of Assyria in the northwest corner, where they're first called Christians 40 AD. 40 AD is the most important thing. But now, see the color of my medallion with 8 points that become complete in 10? The rivers, 2 of them were named in Genesis, the Euphrates and the Tigris, have maintained their name. The rivers, the waters, the oceans could even get name changes. Persia, Babylon, Mesopotamia, the landmass between the 2 rivers mentioned in Genesis, the Euphrates and the Tigris. Babylon, the hanging gardens of Babylon. And they think that the Garden of Eden could have been where the Tigris and the Euphrates spill out into salt water. My point is, the rivers are still there no matter what their names have been changed or if they have their original name. One of the most important rivers that everybody avoids is the first major river just south of Ephesus. Ephesus gets a name change. So does Colossae. So does Laodicea. Hierapolis even gets a name change, still inhabited from 2,000 years when Paul wrote about Hierapolis in Colossae, because of volcanic hot springs are still there. The water and the rivers are still there, even with name changes. 100 miles up the Lycus River to the Lycus River Valley are the Tri-Cities of Colossae, Laodicea, Ephesians, and Hierapolis. And the reason Laodicea has 2 names, it got the Ephesian letter. The Ephesian letter has many names. It's a circulation letter. The Ephesian letter is the Laodicean letter. So you can read the first chapter of Colossians with the first chapter of Laodicea 2,000 years later when you read the first chapter of Ephesians. Did you get that one? When you obey 4:16, I believe, read, together, in all 3 cities, Colossae, Ephesians, Laodicea. This instruction is rare. I know very few Bible teachers or denominational Christian Protestant churches that will tell you to read the first chapter of Colossians with the first chapter of Ephesians, Laodicea. Let me repeat that for a true witness. Find words in common in the first chapter of Colossians with the first chapter of Ephesians Laodicea, the mystery. What is the mystery? Colossians 1:27. Love you. Agape love truth in the glory light of God, eternal.